Yeah, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to simply show you how to solve your Bluetooth related problem on your Windows 11 operating system. So guys, I'm going to be giving you 3 solutions on how to get this done. Let's take it one after the other. So looking right here is my Windows 11. So the first step you need to take right here on your PC like this is to go ahead and click on the search button right here at the bottom of the screen and search for service. Just go ahead and search for service like this. You can see services. Go ahead and search for services like this and you'll be able to see this option. So looking right here, you can see the option of open. So you just need to go ahead and click on open like this in order for you to be able to open it. So right here, you need to carefully look for where you can see Bluetooth. So you just need to scroll down a little bit and look for where you can see Bluetooth. So looking right here, you can see Bluetooth audio gateway service. You can see that it is running. You can see Bluetooth support service. You can see that it is running. Looking right here, you can see Bluetooth support service. Now looking here, you can see that this one is not running. So you just need to go ahead and right click on it like this and click on properties. Looking right here, you can see properties. So once you click on properties like this, looking here, you can see where it says setup type. So you just need to go ahead and click on it like this and select automatic. So once you do that, looking right here, you can see status. So you just need to go ahead and click on start like this. So once you do this, looking right here, you can see service status running. Looking right here, you can see that it is now running. So going back right here, you can see that it is now running. So if there's any other Bluetooth service that you're seeing right here that is not actually running on your PC, you just need to go ahead and right click on it and start it just the way I showed you. So if you've done this yet your Bluetooth is still having any issue, this is what you can simply do next. So the next step you need to take right here on your PC is to simply go to your search button once again and search for troubleshoot. Go ahead and search for troubleshoot like this, troubleshoot settings. So once you search for troubleshoot settings like this is what you're going to see. So you just need to go ahead and click on open like this in order for you to be able to open this page like this. Now looking right here, you can see this option of additional troubleshooters, or you can see more options depending on what your device is actually saying. Right here, my own is actually saying right here additional troubleshooters. So you just need to go ahead and click on it like this. So when you click on that, looking right here, you can see a lot of additional troubleshooters, but since we are focusing on Bluetooth, looking right here, you can see Bluetooth right here. So let's just go ahead and tap on it. So looking right here, you can see run the troubleshooter. So you just need to go ahead and click on run the troubleshooter on your Bluetooth. So looking here, it says detecting problem. So it's actually checking your Bluetooth capability. So you just need to wait patiently for the check to be completed. So looking right here, you can see that it is fixed. It says here check Bluetooth radio status fixed. So if there's any problem with your Bluetooth, it is actually going to identify the problem and you are going to be able to see it right here on your PC and you'll be able to fix it right here. You're going to see the option of fixing it. But looking right here, you can see that my says fixed, which actually means that my has no problem. So if you've done this yet the problem is not yet fixed, this is the next step you can actually take. So if you've done that yet the problem is not yet fixed, looking right here on this menu section on your PC like this, it can be on any corner at the down side of your screen like this. So you just need to go ahead and right click on it, not left click, right click on it like this. Once you right click on it, you're going to be able to see this option of device manager. So you just need to go ahead and click on device manager like this. Once you do that, looking right here, you can see a lot of options. But looking right here, since we are focusing on Bluetooth, let's go ahead and tap on it like this. So just go ahead and double tap on it like this. Once you double tap on it, this is what you're going to see. So right here, we need to go ahead and analyze this one after the other. So for the first one, just need to go ahead and click on it like this and right click. Now looking right here, you can see the option of update driver. Now meanwhile, you should note that you need to do this for all of this right here. So you just need to go ahead and click on update driver for this first one like this. Looking right here, you can see search automatically for drivers. So you just need to go ahead and click on that like this. Now looking here, you can see the best drivers for your device are already installed, which actually means that I can't actually do any other thing right here. But if the driver is not yet installed on my PC, Looking right here, you can see search for updated driver on window updates. So if there is actually no updated driver installed on your PC, you need to click on this next option right here, which is search for updated drivers on Windows updates. So if you click on that like this is what you are going to see. So looking right here, this is what you are going to see. Right here, you just need to go ahead and click on download in order for you to be able to download the software so that you'll be able to run the Bluetooth on your device. That is if there is no updated driver on your PC. Right here as well, you can do that for the second one right here. Just right click and click on update driver, and looking right here, you can see search automatically for drivers. So clicking on it like this, looking here, you can see that the best driver of your PC is already installed. Yours can be something else. So looking right here, you can see search for updated drivers on Windows updates. You can actually click on that as well if there is no best driver on your device as well. So these are the three options you can actually take in order to solve your Bluetooth related problems on your Windows 11 operating system. So hope you found this guide helpful. We've come to the very end of this video. Now do to hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel on Ask Daniel Fix. See you in the next one.